everyone, I am Jackie. Today we will make very easy and simple kimchi with must-have ingredient. We don't need one fresh napa-cabbage, salt, fish sauce, red pepper powder and garlic. You are ready to make delicious kimchi. Others are all optional. They are just adding more flavors to kimchi. Kimchi making is actually very easy if only you can distinguish the key ingredients and the optional ingredients. Trust me, let's try it today. Key ingredients: napa-cabbage, salt, fish sauce, red pepper powder, minced garlic. Fish sauce is already fermented, so the good bacteria inside the fish sauce helps kimchi fermentation. Salt prepares napa-cabbage for fermentation by osmosis. Red pepper powder and garlic create the authentic taste of kimchi. Additional ingredients: green onion, 1 onion, sugar. These are totally optional. You can also add sliced radish, fresh apple puree, or pear puree. Cut the cabbage lengthwise into quarters. And remove the cores. Separate a few layers of small leaves. Chop them up into bite-sized pieces. Cut the bigger leaves lengthwise into half and chop them up into bite size. Add 1 cup of water to the pieces and mix them. Sprinkle 1 cup of salt and mix them. Salting is the most important process in kimchi making because it helps cabbage last for a long time. Without salting, the cabbage will be rotten. Let them sit in the room temperature for 1.5 hours. Then osmosis will begin to happen and the cabbage pieces will become soft and flexible, losing a lot of moisture. Every 30 minutes, turn the cabbage over to salt evenly. After 1.5 hours, the cabbage pieces become soft like this. You can see the water from the cabbage. Now rinse the cabbage into cold water 3 times to clean it thoroughly. I added a few drops of vinegar at the end and wait 3 minutes to sterilize the raw cabbage pieces. This is just my way of rinsing vegetable. Drain the cabbage and squeeze the pieces to remove the excess water. Combine 4 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 cup of red pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can do this in a separate bowl, but I am trying to minimize my cleaning process. Prepare the green onions. Cut them into 1 inch or 3 centimeters. Cut the onion in half. Slice the half onion and mince the other half. Add the green onions and onions to the paste. Mix them well. This process makes me cry. It's very hot. Add all the cabbage pieces to the paste. Mix them well by hand. This is the happiest moment in kimchi making because it means the whole process is almost over. Put the kimchi into an airtight sealed plastic container. And you see, lots of paste is still in the basin. We don't waste anything. Pour 2 cups of water and scrape all the paste. And add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Add this seasoned water to kimchi. Mix them once more. Sweet rice porridge or flour porridge will also help fermentation, but not necessary for a small amount of kimchi. If you make a big amount of kimchi to store for over 2 or 3 months, the starch of porridge will provide more foods for the lactic acid bacteria. I use this trick to press kimchi. 1 bag of water. All the kimchi ingredients will sink in the tasty water, and more osmosis and blending will continue with fermentation. Fermentation is all about waiting. You have to place your kimchi at the room temperature and wait for at least 24 hours. Don't open it until then. It has a little bit of sour taste. It means fermentation is in progress. Because I use small amount of fish sauce, didn't use sweet rice porridge, and the weather is cold, fermentation needs a little more time. If you like current taste, you just refrigerate it now. Then fermentation continues slowly. But I want more of sour taste, so I will wait 24 more hours at the room temperature. Finally, kimchi is fully fermented with the attractive sour taste. Now, you store it in the refrigerator. Enjoy it with rice or pork dishes.